Hi, hello, and welcome to Plated Poultry, a series on poultry recipes. Please hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Chicken pepper fry, or known as pepper chicken. For this dish, the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to prepare powder. So let's get into the preparation. I've taken a medium pan and I have preheated it. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Now this is for 1 kilogram of chicken, so if in case you want to increase or decrease, so you can decrease the ingredients accordingly or decrease the ingredients accordingly. Just roast the peppercorn. Now once the peppercorns are roasted a little bit, we'll add fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed. Now we'll allow this to cool down. Once it cools down, we're going to pound it into a fine powder. Pounding will actually enhance the flavor of the dish. For the preparation of the chicken, we're going to use a medium pan and use 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, add half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 large onion finely chopped. If you don't have a large onion, you can use 2 small sized onions. Once the onion turns glossy, we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry till the rawness of the ginger garlic paste is gone. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, increase the flame, allow the tomato to cook. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we will add the chicken. I'm adding 1 kilogram of chicken, curry cut. Once the chicken is blended with the masala, add half a cup of water to it. Gently mix it. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Now the chicken's been cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. At this point, I'm going to add the powder that we made earlier, the pepper and the fennel powder. I'm going to add 5 to 6 strips of curry leaves. You can add fresh curry leaves, but here I'm adding dried curry leaves. We will cook until the water reduces from the chicken. The water has reduced completely. At this point, we'll turn off the stove. Now, if you want to add chopped corianders, you can add at this point of time. Pepper chicken is ready. If in case you missed out the ingredients, look at the description below to find the ingredients. Hope you loved my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.